So this is a very small story, and I want all of you to please listen to this till the very end. So this happened last week when I was in Varkala. I met this wonderful person and I wanted to share something about him. So I was coming back after the work from the cafe, like from one of the cafes, and I saw this guy who is a lifeguard over there. So I just waved him a hi, just randomly. He just did the same thing. And we started having a conversation. He was talking in English and all that. So we started having a conversation. Then he got to know that I'm a Mallu. So we started talking, a lot more in our own language and all that. He told me he's been a lifeguard for almost 20 years now, and that too in Varkala. And he was sharing a lot of beautiful experience and all that. Ultimately, his intention was to pitch me in for the side business he runs, that is to take people to the ocean to see dolphins. And I was bought. He gave me his number. In the morning, he gave me a call. He came, picked me to another beach. His boat was there. We hopped onto his boat along with 4 other strangers. Okay, and we went down to the ocean. And when I was going, I was taking these beautiful videos and pictures and all that. So he told me, just stop doing that. Keep your phone inside and sit there. I was like, okay, so this is something. Okay, then I told just enjoy the moment. Just be in that moment. You won't experience the same thing again. Just keep, he was giving me a lot of advice on all these different things. Just be in that moment. Just experience this, a lot of stories. So I just kept my phone and I started asking a lot of questions to him. Like literally a lot of questions. And he was not hesitating to answer me. He told me a lot of stories, good, bad, happy ones, sad ones, everything. He has been to ocean since 6 years old with his dad. So since then, he had a lot of experience. He's a man of almost 60 years old. So he shared a lot of knowledge or a lot of experience, whatever he had. And it was so good to actually listen to him. Okay, so that journey altogether was some 3 to 4 hours journey. Okay, yeah, almost 4 hour journey. When we came back, we reached back. And when it was time for me to pay him, he told me, you don't have to pay, it's free for you. I was like, okay. So I was like, okay, this is some lottery. And I wanted to know why he actually is giving me this for free. So I asked him, why should you give me this for free? And he was like, he thanked me actually for, I was like, for what? I was like, I should be the one who's thanking you, right? And he told me that it's been so long, literally some years, that someone has actually listened to him for this long time, for this long, for some hours. I was like, okay. So that actually literally made me sad or maybe think a lot. Okay, I could literally relate to me every day. A lot of us talk with us every single day. This is not a story, I just wanted to share this story, but this is not a story, just a story of me getting or I getting a free trip to the ocean. No, nothing like that. So in this time, where we talk about the mental health and social anxiety, the stress and everything, where we wish we had someone to us, so that someone to listen to us actually, for us to share our sadness, our emotions, our grief, everything. There are others who wish the same too, right? And the thing is, could be our parents, it could be our siblings, it could be our friends, someone. We love to talk about ourselves, but we just don't love to listen to others, or just listen about others, just get to know about them or get to know their stories. So just help them. Just listening is so powerful, it's so underrated, that it can change someone's day, it can change someone's life literally. And I just made sure that could happen that day, because he was so happy, he was so relieved that there is, it was such a good day for him. And I think that he will never forget me. Next day, even the next day, I just gave him a call, we caught up, we met for, we just had a coffee and all that thing. And he was so happy, he was so different. Next time how he interacted was literally different. Okay, he's very old, and the way most of us mingle or interact with elders, especially the people who just give advices and all that, it's slightly different, right? So ultimately, what I wanted to share is basically listening is so powerful that you can change someone's life. And ultimately, if someone is saying something, could be bad or good or something, and you just don't want to listen to them, you're like, we are not interested, we have some other shift, like, other things to do, let it be. Because if someone is saying you something, just listen to that. If they're saying something good, and if you want to take it, take it. If you don't want to take it, just leave it. Done. He is happy, you're also happy, right? So everything you give, you'll get it back. And if you need, like, in your, like, at the times when you need someone to listen to you, to give you some advice, or to just pat you behind and just say it's okay, it'll get okay within time, just be patient, it's fine, that happens and all that, you should be that person first. And I just say that once again, you should be that person for others. And if you give something, you'll get it back for sure. And also always remember that we have 2 ears and 1 mouth, and if you wish to speak a lot, you should listen more than that. And I just want to share you that. I just felt like this is something that should be put out there, and there are so many of us who need to listen to this. So try best sharing that as well. And yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching. If you have reached till here, and see you next week. Bye bye.